everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeover on our bathroom vanity area. So I don't have much before footage of what the state was when we first bought the house. I had to find a picture through Zillow to see the before picture. I thought I had some, but I guess I didn't. And then I only have, I think, one photo also of like a week or two ago, what the state of that was after we took the mirror down and everything. I know I'm not using the right tools when I was doing some of these things, like taking off the black glue that was on the wall. I know I didn't use the right tools for that, but we used what we had to get it done and it worked. So I mean, that's good. And you can see, like, in some spots where I patched, I didn't sand it very well. It didn't sand all the way down, so you could kind of see that that's a patch area. But other than that, I think it's still a very nice makeover. It came out really nice. In the video, I had did a few different designs because I was going to do like an accent wall behind the mirror here instead of just plain white. Each accent I tried to do, it was a fail. It did not work, so I decided to just paint over it and leave it a plain white wall, no accent or nothing. Honestly, like this a whole lot better. So yeah, if you want to see how we did this bathroom, how it came out, the before state and the after state, keep watching this video. And if you like it, go ahead and hit the like button. If you would like to subscribe, then go ahead and subscribe. I'm trying to do a lot more makeovers in this house of ours. I didn't get much footage of us doing this bathroom, well, of me doing this bathroom. I only got a few footage, a few photos, so I'm sorry I didn't get much of it, but I still want to try and use what I have so you guys can see the process I went through to do this. And I used contact paper for our countertops, and it was a struggle to do to get around the sink area, but I managed to do it. So yeah, I'll list down below where I got most of the items. Some of the items I got from like Ross and Target Dollar Spot, so I can't really link those, but what I can, I will try. So yeah. Trying to bring these boards out here, but these boards are thicker. I probably like the thicker one better, but I think these are pretty much dried and I could sand them down a little. So our wall isn't completely 7 feet, but it's close enough. So instead I'm just gonna use the middle light as a guide to be the middle. I've got my sponges, I got my paint and a stippling brush, and I'm gonna use this to be like my middle, so I could, my guide, I guess. And hopefully this goes okay. We shall see. try two things. This and that. And I don't like either. I'm gonna have to paint over this with the little white paint I have left. I know I should have saved it just in case if something like this happened, but I didn't. So now I'm thinking 3 lines, something like that. So I'm gonna start from the corner up there and work my way down, and hopefully it looks a lot better than this. And I'll just let that dry, then I'll paint over it. I don't know what to do. I guess that's a little better, but they're too far apart for me to, so I gotta bring them a little closer. So I'm gonna have to repaint that also and start over. And then these boards, I only did these boards because I did the same similar thing in our bathroom, and I kind of wanted to tie together, so that's why I did these boards. I also painted that black, and I also painted this shelf black. Oh yeah, and I spray painted this mason jar also. So this is the contact paper. I got it from Home Depot. And you can see here I had to cut some strips and cover up the seam where I cut because this did not want to get around the sink. So you can even see back here, the seams cut. This, I cover it up. But yeah, you can see there's a few imperfections, but you can't really see unless you stare at it. The mirrors we got from Ross. I believe they were like $30 each or something. Got this from Target. Also got this one from Target also. So this was from Target Dollar Spot. It came with two. The other one's on the dining table. So I used this one here for the candle. This candle's from Bath and Body Works. It's salted butterscotch. This is from Dollar Tree, which I was actually going to use a different one. I wanted to use this one, but this one has a crack on it. Where is it at? Right here. So I don't want to use this because of the crack, but it's not really noticeable, so I don't know, maybe I will use it. I can't remember where I got this. I think it was from Walmart. I'm not sure. The mason jar was something I already had on hand. This was from the other bathroom, from our guest bathroom, and I just moved it here and spray painted it. This was a set of two from Target Dollar Spot. This was from Home Depot. This was from Target. This shelf was from Ross. Target Dollar Spot, Target Dollar Spot. Target Dollar Spot, I think? I don't know. Target Dollar Spot. These containers were from Target Dollar Spot also. So yeah, that's basically where everything was from.